Welcome again on Igbo History TV. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help us by subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. In Igboland, many communities forbids one thing or the other. Today, we are going to talk about Urualla, a town in Idato North local government area of Imo State. In the glorious past, Agwura was the greatest goddess of Urualla kingdom. Her husband was named the chief god of Urualla. The name of their only child was Ekpoto, Eke. Every year, the people of Urualla owe the name and Agwura an elaborate festival featuring offers of sacrifices and merrymaking as gestures of thanks and gratitude to the divine couple for protecting them throughout the year. At the end, the people would ask for more protection and progress. One year, the people of Urualla, through miscalculation of dates, failed to carry out the yearly obligation to their divine protectors at the right time. In anger, the divine couple decided to impoverish the people's harvest by withholding rains for the year. To successfully implement their decision, the name Anagura withheld revelation from prophets and diviners. When Ekpoto learned of his parents' heartless decision, it came by night to Ohuche, the priest of Agwura, and divulged to him the secret of the impending danger. In the morning, Ohuche assembled all the people of Urualla, and they offered sacrifices, appeasing their divine protectors, thereby averting the impending danger. When Enem and Agwura discovered that their secret was divulged to the people of Urualla by Ekpoto, they disowned Ekpoto and ejected it from the family. Enem and Agwura later had other two children, Ejala son and Onamini daughter. In gratitude, therefore, the people of Urualla accepted Ekpoto into their homes and protected it from being killed. That is why the people of Urualla neither kill nor eat the meat of Ekpoto. Rather, it is often found resting around their fire and sleeping places and on their fences. I hope you learned something today. Please drop your comments. I will be reading your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Thank you.